Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO Reno5 5G, and today I'll show you how you can apply tempered glass on your display. So on this phone we already have the factory foil applied. Just take a look. You can spot it right here when it's the cutout for the front camera and here on the edges. But I will not remove this foil because it's a phone for testing. The glass application process will be the same, so you don't have to worry about anything, even if the glass doesn't match your model, like in my case, but I will show it right now. So this is just an example, and if you follow this tutorial, you will successfully apply the tempered glass on the display of your smartphone. So let's start. At the first, you have to open a box with your glass, and you will find tempered glass. As you can see, it's for other model, wipes, wet and dry, and also in some cases you will find stickers to take off piece from the dust from the display. I don't have it, but you can make it with dry wipe, but also we can make it by using duct tape, so we have to decide. At the first, we are going to open this wipe, wet one. I'm going to zoom in a little bit to show you how it looks, and of course it will be good if you prepare the good source of light to see a very mess that you have on your display. So let's take it off. Let's open it like that. If this wet wipe comes dry, you can use something like the window cleaner with alcohol. Just tap on it once and it will be also good to remove fingerprint and other mess from the screen. It sometimes happens, so don't worry about that. Just use something like cleaner for your window. Okay, and as you can see, you have to make the gestures like that in the circle, and if it is in the good condition, we have to move to the dry one and just make it like that. Okay, and when you take a look on the screen, it looks really good, but we can also use something like additional wipe like that. And I think that you will spot the difference when you use it. You can use the paper towel also. Try to make it to the one side. In my case, I'm swiping to the bottom. And remember to do it gently. Okay, as you can see right now, the display looks really cool. It's in a good condition. So we can simply start by applying tempered glass. So just take off this foil from your tempered glass, like that. Yeah, and now just take a look on the screen one more time and be sure that we got no piece of the dust, because when we leave something like that, we will get air bubbles under protection, our screen protection. Okay, I think that right now it looks good. Let's keep holding the bottom part and put this one right here. Try to put it in a good position. Keep holding the bottom part, and if you think that it is good position, you can just simply put the bottom part just like that. And right now all you have to do is just to simply swipe with your finger, and as you can see, it goes almost automatically. You can make it faster by pressing with your finger just like that. Okay, and if you get the air bubbles like that, you can just simply remove it by moving your finger. Wait, I'm gonna turn off this light. Okay. And another one. So yeah, you can use your fingernail. And right now, if you want to take off, dust marks, you have to take wipe and then just press a little bit. And as you can see, the marks disappear. Probably it's some kind of the glue. And there it is. As you can see right now, it looks really good, and it protect our display much better than this default this factory foil. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.